Welcome to Whimsy Crafter. In my previous video, I had shown the first two steps to set up morning glory hanging planters. It has been 3 weeks and the morning glory saplings have established themselves quite well. So in today's video, I'll share with you the third and final step in creating morning glory hanging planters. Thank you for patiently bearing with me all this while. But before that, as always, my teeny weedy request is that if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been 3 weeks and the morning glory saplings I had planted have already grown quite big. You can see here the 4 saplings I had planted have grown quite big and are ready to trail down. So I'll prepare the planter for hanging. So you can see I have a stick here, a pair of scissors and a ball of yarn. So why I have these things here is because I'll use the stick to provide a support in the middle of this planter so that the plants have a support in the middle and the stems, they are quite soft even now and they don't snap. So I'll place the stick right in the middle of the planter as I'm doing over here, and then I'll grab the base of all the 4 saplings lightly. Make sure not to tug at the roots because this is cocoa peat, and I'll take a big piece of the yarn and I'll secure the plants around the stick. I'll tie a knot and secure the plants around the stick as I'm doing here. Now the planter is ready for hanging, and for hanging the planter from a suspension point, I'll take 2 big pieces of yarn of equal length and I'll pass these 2 pieces of yarn through the hole on the sides of the basket which I used for the planter. The basket is perforated as I had shown you in the first video. So that perforation will help me in passing the yarn through them. Like I said, there are perforations or holes on the sides of the basket, and these will help me to pass the yarn through them. So right through these holes I'll pass the yarn. Just follow the way I'm showing. I'll repeat the process on 2 sides. Now it's totally up to you if you want to suspend your planter using 2 pieces of yarn or 4. Using 4 pieces makes the planter sturdier, and since this is cocoa peat, it will absorb a lot of water which will kind of increase the weight of the planter considerably. After weighing the planter with the help of the 2 yarns, I feel the planter needs added support. Although there is no chance of these yarns snapping, but still, to be extra careful, I think I'll add 2 more supportive yarns on the other 2 sides. This is quite heavy, as you can see here. So I'll add 2 more support yarns on the other 2 sides to make this more durable. Another thing you need to keep in mind is that you should use a good quality yarn. By good quality I mean a durable yarn. I have used Muga silk yarn over here, which is quite famous for its strength and durability. So yes, I'm finally done. Now what I'll do is I'll take all these 4 strands of yarn and tie them into a knot while leaving a little loop on the top. Now while tying the knot, if you find that there isn't enough yarn left to form a loop, you can always add an extra piece of yarn to make the loop, like I will be doing here. The yarn isn't long enough to create a loop, so I have added extra piece of yarn later to create a loop, like you can see over here, right here. I'm trying to give you a view from all the sides. The shot is quite shaky because I'm actually stretching out my arm holding the camera support, just to give you a closer view. Yes, so this is how it will look like. So go ahead and try out this DIY and let me know how things turned out in the comments below.